How to fix Outlook notifications not working 2026 full guide. Are you missing important emails because Outlook notifications stopped appearing? In this video, I am going to teach you the fastest fixes so you can get notifications working in under 5 minutes. Fix number 1. Check Outlook notification settings. Open Outlook and click the gear icon for settings. Go to General, then Notifications, then Mail. Make sure notifications are toggled on. Change the notification style from desktop to reminder if pop-ups are not showing. Fix number 2. Check Windows notifications. Go to Settings, click System, then Notifications. Make sure Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders is turned on. Find Outlook in the list and make sure its notifications are enabled. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Fix number 3. Disable Focus Assist. Go to Settings, click System, then Focus Assist. Select Off to disable it. Focus Assist blocks all notifications even if Outlook is enabled. Fix number 4. Check your Teams status. If you are using Microsoft Teams, open Teams and check your status. If it is set to Do Not Disturb, change it to Available. Outlook respects your Teams status. Fix number 5. Turn off Battery Saver Mode. Go to Settings, click System, then Power and Battery. Disable Battery Saver Mode. Battery Saver restricts background notifications. Fix number 6. Check Email Rules. Go to Outlook Settings, find Rules, and temporarily disable them. Email rules moving messages to other folders can prevent notifications from appearing. Fix number 7. Restart Outlook completely. Close Outlook entirely, wait 10 seconds and reopen it. This resets the notification service. Fix number 8. Repair Outlook. Go to Windows Settings, click Apps, find Outlook, click Advanced Options and select Repair. This fixes corrupted app files. Pro tip. The number 1 reason Outlook notifications stop working is Do Not Disturb being enabled somewhere. Always check 3 places first: Windows notification settings, Outlook settings, and your Teams status. If Do Not Disturb is on anywhere, everything else is blocked. So to recap, enable Outlook notifications in Settings, enable Windows notifications, turn off Focus Assist and Do Not Disturb, check your Teams status, disable Battery Saver, disable Email Rules. Restart Outlook and repair if nothing works. If this helped you fix Outlook notifications, hit the like button and subscribe. And drop a comment telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.